Children, now let's play a fun game. Spin the wheel to meet new people. You will also learn what these people do.
I am a farmer. I use a plow. I grow crops.
I am a potter. I use a wheel. I make pots from clay.
I am a carpenter. I use a saw. I make things from wood.
I am a tailor. I use scissors. I use a needle and thread. I make clothes from cloth.
I am a painter. I use paint and brushes. I paint houses.
I am a mechanic. I use a spanner. I use a screwdriver. I repair cars.